Most people think growing fruit at home requires a big yard, long waiting times, and complicated care. But the truth is far more exciting. Some of the tastiest fruit trees on earth grow better in pots than they do in the ground. Imagine stepping outside your apartment, balcony, or small patio and picking your own lemons, figs, bananas, or even mangoes without ever needing a single inch of backyard soil. Container-friendly fruit trees stay small, start producing sooner, and are easy to move, protect, and manage. Even if you're just starting your gardening journey. In this video, we're exploring the top 10 fruit trees that thrive in pots, how long they take to fruit, which varieties are best, what pot size you need, and the simple care tips that guarantee success. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a mini orchard at home, no yard required. Let's begin. White dwarf trees are perfect for containers. Before jumping into the list, you need to understand what makes certain fruit trees perfect for pots. Dwarf and semi-dwarf varieties aren't mini fruits. They simply grow on smaller root systems, which keeps the tree compact and easy to manage. The fruit stays full size, the flavor stays rich, and the harvest often comes sooner than full-size trees. These trees handle root pressure well, meaning they don't mind being in a confined space. They also stay under 8 to 10 feet, making pruning simple and harvesting effortless. When you shop for trees, look for tags that say dwarf, patio, or container-friendly. Most trees come in small nursery pots, but they'll need repotting as they grow, typically moving from 1 gallon to 5, then 15, and eventually 20 to 25 gallons for long-term growth. Bigger pots equal healthier roots, less watering, and more reliable fruit production. Why you should choose grafted plants, not seeds. Growing fruit trees from seeds sounds exciting, but it comes with long delays and unpredictable results. A seed-grown mango, lemon, or avocado can take 5 to 10 years or sometimes even longer to produce fruit. And there's no guarantee that fruit will taste like the parent tree. That's where grafted and air-layered trees come in. Grafted trees use a branch from a mature fruiting tree fused onto strong rootstock, giving you a shortcut to early, reliable harvests. Air-layered trees form roots while still attached to the parent plant, making them nearly identical clones that fruit quickly. These methods dramatically reduce waiting time and ensure you get the same flavor, productivity, and growth habits as the original tree. If you want to enjoy fruit within a couple of years rather than a decade, grafted or air-layered plants are the way to go. Seeds are fun experiments, but grafted trees are for real harvests. Figs and bananas for containers. Let's begin the list with 2 container superstars: figs and dwarf bananas. Figs are one of the easiest and fastest fruit trees for pots. They handle tight roots, rarely need pruning, and fruit within 1 to 2 years. Varieties like LSU, Purple, and Little Miss Figgy are compact, productive, and perfect for 15 to 20 gallon containers. Figs naturally drop leaves in winter, so don't panic, it's normal dormancy. Dwarf bananas are another powerhouse. They stay compact, many remain under 8 feet, and can produce fruit right in a pot. Varieties such as Dwarf Namois and Rajapuri thrive in containers and love heat, moisture, and regular feeding. Bananas are heavy feeders, so monthly compost or potassium-rich fertilizer keeps them growing fast. A 20 to 25 gallon pot gives them the stability they need. With sunlight, water, and nutrition, both figs and bananas can turn a small patio into a tropical harvest zone. Lemons and dwarf avocados. Maya lemons are practically designed for container growers. They're compact, cold-tolerant compared to other lemons, and can fruit several times a year. A 15 to 20 gallon pot and full sun are essential for maximum production. Lemons also self-pollinate, so you only need 1 tree to enjoy harvest. Sunlight is limited indoors. A grow light can help maintain productivity. Container-grown avocados are possible when you choose the right variety. Options like Wirt's Little Cados stay naturally small and adapt well to large pots. They usually fruit in 2 to 4 years, with proper care. Avocados need excellent drainage, so a soil mix with perlite and pine bark is ideal. Avoid varieties that grow too large, such as Hass, which outgrow containers quickly. With enough light, airflow, and well-draining soil, then an apartment balcony can support a thriving avocado tree. Mangoes and dwarf peaches nectarines. Yes, mango trees grow beautifully in pots, especially dwarf varieties like Pickering or Honeykiss. These mangoes stay compact, produce early, and love heat. A 25-gallon pot is perfect for long-term growth. Mangoes fruit on new growth, so avoid heavy pruning. Light shaping is enough. With full sun and occasional fertilizer, potted mangoes can reward you with juicy fruit in just 2 to 3 years. Dwarf peaches and nectarines, such as Tropic Beauty or Florida Prince, also perform impressively in containers. They produce full-size fruit and only need 15 to 20-gallon pots. The key is airflow. Crowding them reduces productivity and increases the risk of leaf curl. Light pruning helps maintain shape and keep branches healthy. These varieties require chill hours, so they thrive in climates that experience a mild winter. With proper care, you can enjoy peaches and nectarines almost as quickly as figs or lemons. Grapes and dwarf apples. Muscadine grapes are surprisingly container-friendly as long as you give them space. A 20 to 25-gallon pot, strong trellis, and full sun create the perfect setup for big harvests. They tolerate heat and humidity extremely well, making them ideal for warm climates. Regular pruning keeps them manageable and encourages clusters of sweet, juicy fruit. Dwarf apples may seem unusual for warm climates, but varieties like Anna and Dorset Golden are perfect for pots and low-chill regions. They fruit in 2 to 3 years and stay compact in containers. Apples need cross-pollination, so planting 2 varieties increases your chances of a reliable harvest. Thinning fruit early prevents branch breakage and increases fruit size. With a large pot, good sunlight, and regular feeding, dwarf apples can produce surprisingly generous yields right on a patio. Papaya and dwarf mulberries. Papayas grow extremely fast and can fruit within 6 to 12 months, making them one of the quickest fruit trees for containers. They're best planted directly into their final pot, usually 20 to 25 gallons, to avoid transplant shock. Plant a few seeds in one pot, but keep only the strongest seedling. Papayas dislike disturbed roots, so minimal handling ensures healthy, steady growth. Dwarf mulberries, especially everbearing types, are another fantastic option. They fruit multiple times a year, often within months of planting, and the berries taste like a mix of blackberry and raspberry. They thrive in 10 to 15-gallon pots and require simple care: sunlight, watering, and occasional pruning. Mulberries can even be propagated from cuttings, letting you grow new trees for free. Birds love the fruit, so keeping them in a screened patio or covered space helps you enjoy more harvests. For fast, sweet results, mulberries are one of the best container choices.